Family farming registries. Family farmers are at the heart of our agri-food systems. They grow most of the food we eat, care for natural resources, sustain rural communities, and keep knowledge and traditions alive across generations. But family farming isn't the same for everybody. It is incredibly diverse, shaped by different regions, cultures, production systems, and social realities. This diversity poses a major challenge for public policy, as one-size-fits-all approaches often fail to reach those most in need. For policies to really work, they need to be integrated to address interconnected problems and customized to different contexts. To design these, governments must understand who family farmers are, how they produce, and what challenges they face. Family farming registries make this possible. They turn the broad concept of family farming into clear, detailed, and actionable data, allowing for targeted support in line with age, gender, location, farm size, labor employed, production type, and the sort of activities the farm carries out. And what's more, family farming registries collect information on all members of a farming household, not just the official farm holder, to make sure that any measures can respond directly to each person's individual needs. So how do registries work in practice? Registries are administrative systems, usually established at the national level. They rely on voluntary, consent-based data collection and operate within a legal and institutional framework. For a registry to function well, strong institutions are essential. This usually involves a dedicated unit, often within an agricultural or rural development ministry. Clear procedures for collecting, processing, and updating data. Regular oversight to ensure reliability and consistency. And stable coordination mechanisms across different levels of government. When these elements are in place, registries provide accurate, up-to-date information that allows governments to allocate resources efficiently, identify beneficiaries correctly, design programs that reflect real needs, and monitor and evaluate policies more effectively. Registries are not an end goal. They are vital tools for policy-making processes, offering a clearer foundation for action. How do registries strengthen cross-sector coordination? Family farming registries do more than improve policy design. They also help different ministries work together. By providing consistent and reliable information on family farmers, they create a shared point of reference across government. This shared understanding is essential because family farming spans multiple areas of public action. It links agriculture with social protection, health and nutrition, economic development, education, environment and climate, and local development. By helping information flow between institutions, family farming registries can fuel more coherent policies and lead better targeted resources to those who need them most. With family farming registries, policy measures can be better informed, better aligned across sectors, and more strongly focused on genuine specific needs. Let's work together to expand the use of family farming registries, advance the United Nations Decade of Family Farming, and empower family farmers to lead agri-food systems transformation.